side's a lot better, this whole panel. But over here by the wheel well. This side back here is not bad. Got the flooring, the solar panel, and an air mattress, and some window curtains. Just gonna need some new windows. Somebody done broke them while I was sitting here at the mechanic. But that's not a big deal. Howdy y'all. I just wanted to show you that I'm spending my first night in the bus. Good morning everybody. I just woke up in the bus. Well, thanks for y'all's looking out. I am stranded till tomorrow morning at the mechanic shop, at least. Yeah. So I'm here at the mechanic shop, and they took me down and got me a sandwich and plugged me into their electric. I'm all good. Whew. Now I can rest my... Don't worry, it's not been running lately. Anyway, I can't get the damn thing off, but that's how low the well is. This feels like something's on it. Maybe like whatever that shit is you put in here, that green shit. Okay, it's tight, right? It's not coming off. Okay, so you push it down and you turn it to the left. Yes, I know that. Okay, now it's loose. Like it wants to come off, but it doesn't come off. See? It doesn't come off. Okay, now I'm full of propylene glycol. Look at this cute little bathroom. Huh. Hi. So it's riveted under this metal strip, which is attached to this whole piece. So I guess cut it out like along the edge here. Awesome people just brought me a hot hamburger. Thank you for the blessings of helping me to get a hotel room, Hope Rescue Mission, and get a shower and something to eat and some water from two lovely people that stopped by today to be Earth Angels and help me because I was sitting stranded. I hope you have everything you need. I'm walking down to that TA sign from the Walmart, which is past that Dollar Tree. But at least I got some groceries. Made it. I'm gonna go. Wait, I need the key for that. I'm gonna hit the ladies' room real quick if that's alright. Alright, let me just put this in neutral. Okay. Do I have to turn it off? No. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get away from it. Dude. Finally out of here. These guys are awesome. They have called me back and waited on me. And he's got good rates. Finally getting going. Here we go. Back to the Trans shop. We made it to Tulsa. Here's the transmission shop. Good night, everybody.